What's he do?
He used to be the size of my middle finger.
Oh, spread your wings. Oh, look. That's cool.
Okay, stop.
Feed the little guy.
I'm trying, but he won't stop with the wings.
Oh, good stuff. It's dark in here.
Light bulb went out.
Oh, this one wants. You want some food too, huh?
Oh yeah, he'll pace back and forth and peck at them.
He'll be getting out probably in a week from now.
That's why I need a bird cage.
You don't feed them together?
How?
Well, when they were younger, it could.
Yeah, wait till you see that one. Feed.
Yeah, I see them in the video. He's feed me.
I know, I'm coming. Just give it a minute, okay? We were worried in the beginning because this one wouldn't even really stand up and it kept walking sideways. Like,
Yeah, it was pretty weak when we got him.
you know, as soon as I gave him this food, it was like a miracle.
Yeah, this food was much better than what we were feeding the first couple of days.
Okay, hold on. Don't eat so fast.
What about me? What about me? Gotta give this guy so we don't have a heart attack. You can feed him again.
I will. We have a process, okay?
All right.
Come here. Look at your face. Gonna make a mess of it. That wasn't long enough. Okay, just chill out. You gonna fly? You gonna fly? I know.
If you feed me, I want food.
I know. He's picking up my. He knows my hands. I know. I'm getting. Just let me turn you around. Hold on. Okay. Okay. I know. Okay. Stop. Stop. Chill.
Watch that one.
No, Peppy just likes to be under me.
Hmm?
She just likes to be under my hands when I'm feeding him.
Really?
Mm-hmm. She likes to be held and cuddled and covered. She likes to feel safe.
Just sucking on it. Oh, so cute.
And this is why Janet can't go camping.
How many times a day?
4. Sometimes 3 if I forget to feed him at night before I go to bed.
All right.